Now what I always do is, in order to get to these bolts easier, I'll turn the steering wheel. So on this side, I need to turn it to the left. Don't start the car, just turn it to the left. Okay. And what you also want to do is take the top off of your brake reservoir. See how much is in there. Okay. Next, we want to compress the piston and kill this spider. Sorry, guy. Wrong place, wrong time. Okay. So you can also use they have brake tools too you can use, and every vehicle is different, so some need a special tool, but most of them you can use this C-clamp. Keep turning it. You want to get it in the middle. Okay, and it's compressed. Next we want to find what size this is. Let's see, 14, and it's a 14. You just take one off and just slide the top out. You can take the top off too, top one off too, but you don't have to. And we're just going to stick this here for now. And we take the pads off, which they're pretty low. And then in the back here, let me get my light so you guys can see. Fancy light. This is bulb back here. I believe it is an 18. Maybe not. 17. Okay, it's a 17. Get my big 1/2 inch. These are usually in pretty tight. So, turn this light back on. Loosen both of them a little bit first. You don't want to take one off until both of them are loosened. Otherwise, this thing is going to be rocking back and forth. And then, if you're lucky enough, just come out like that. Okay. And on, okay. Set that to the side. Now, this rotor's usually supposed to just come off, but if it doesn't, sometimes it's got holes in here, and you can put a bolt in there this size and a little bit each side.